Welcome to 18030 Petty's Lane. You are going to love this beautiful custom designed and built home on Petty's Bayou. As you can see, this home is perfect for waterfront entertaining. It's on Petty's Bayou, which leads out to Spring Lake and then out to Lake Michigan. Thank you for touring this beautiful waterfront home today. For more information, please contact the Sandy Gentry team at 616-935-1150.